can hear myself think. Everyone's talking at once, but no one's listening close. Words are heavy in the air, but they fall before they know. Screens light up every fear, every doubt is amplified. If I don't echo what they say, I'm the voice they try to hide. They say louder means it's true. They say noise will pull me through, but I'm learning how to stay when the world looks the other way. White noise society, so loud, so empty, trading truth for certainty. White noise society, lost in sound, afraid of quiet honesty. White noise society, pick a side, burn the rest and call it right. Headlines scream like sirens, every story needs a war. They don't ask what's real anymore, just who we're fighting for. Thoughts are rented, not our own. Feelings taught by what we see. If I pause to question why, they say there's something wrong with me. They say louder means it's true. They say noise will pull me through, but I'm learning how to stay when the world looks the other way. White noise society, so loud, so empty, trading truth for certainty. White noise society, lost in sound, afraid of quiet honesty. White noise society, close your eyes if silence makes you feel alive. I step back from the sound, let the echo fade away. In the space between the noise, I remember who I am. If silence